What do you have?
Emotional damage.
I'm eating that shit up. Hello guys. Morning. The time is 7:30. Wednesday, the 4th of January. Today.
Excuse how outlook in the morning life is real.
First day of school after Christmas break ever in high school. So today I'm gonna be vlogging my day at school. I only have 2 lessons, but technically I have 3, but I have 2 lessons. I just have double chemistry today, but it's a full day for us. It's a full day for us women in STEM. Okay. So yeah. Ooh, outfit check.
Whisper, good morning.
There's something about car white noise that's common.
Gently in my ear. I'm coming back to you, baby. I'll soon be there. I'll soon be there.
We're in school now. I look with you. Time for chemistry. Lunchtime. What do you have?
Emotional damage. Okay. Chemistry, biology.
It's giving.
It's
giving.
We just had chemistry and we learned about benzene.
Benzene!
So unique and different.
My favorite thing ever.
Bro said thing instead of organic molecule with.
Just want to know what it smells like. Worth the can.
Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Introduce yourself.
Very uncontent creator of Mika, we have to teach her.
Andrea, say hi. Oreos.
It's like the ones that are covered in like
Oh my gosh. I love your aesthetic. You fit check? Yeah.
She's always looking scrumdelly yum yum a
Look at
purple.
the shoes. Sexy gal. Yeah. Slay. Fit check, Mika?
No, not there.
Final chemistry.
Is there any other topic?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a vlog. I'm gonna be in. Sure. Say hi.
Hi, today you were
We're doing chemistry reasons. Home time. Yeah.
Now we gotta go study. We might go get sushi noodles.
I don't know. Should we go get some shop
Let's go. Let's put our bags on first because I need to pee.
Okay. Okay.
And then we'll
Sushi
take a walk,
noodles.
get sushi noodles, eat them, and then study some more.
Study. And then
I got work.
His work.
I got work. Yay.
I have work tomorrow, so I'm good. Guys. The fire alarm is going off.
Enemies tried to burn us here for some reason.
No, but technically we're supposed to be gone home.
Yeah.
So should we just like?
Just walk out.
I don't know. Don't know what to do.
We survived the fire alarm, thank God.
A few moments later.
I'll show you guys the sushi shop. We love it.
Noodles.
Noodles.
I'm eating that shit up.
Oh my god. I was busy doing homework, so I was stressing. It was chemistry, okay? I was.
So we're in the sushi shop now. Let me show you guys. all the noodles they have in here. No, they're not 130, bro.
Cost of living crisis is killing
They used
us.
to be 110. They used to be 110. They don't? I think they do. Wait.
Was there a big gap between them divorcing and you using him? That you got used to, or would they?
Guys, I just saw an octopus. Octopus.
Immediately no.
Guys, we got noodles. And these.
Snack. I read about it in a book, right? I was reading a book like last week, and the chickie, she went to this like Korean like
Stop.
grocery store,
Yeah.
and then they got these, and I saw them. I was
Anyone
like,
else
wait,
read
this sounds
books like
pretty
they
good.
watching
So we're gonna
movies?
try it.
Yeah. I hope they're nice.
They're pretty good.
Really?
If you need food critics to mew,
All of them come together.
Yeah, give it one.
Just like two.
No, one. To taste.
Not bad. Not great, but not bad. No, it's fine.
I feel like I've heard this before.
I feel like I've had it and stuff.
Yeah. Same in Zimbabwe.
You probably had it. Isn't it like a panda one?
guys, let us know if you have seen these in Zim or Sa.
I don't know.
I don't know, but they taste really familiar. Like, really,
Same.
really familiar. Wait, look at this girl.
This dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Finally home time. And I'm gonna pick up my sister, but it's looking like it's kind of raining. Now we don't like the rain. No rain for us.
A few moments later.
Say hi.
Hi.
My name is
Rafara. My name's Rafara.
and I'm not yet old enough to walk on my own, so I bothered my sister. When she's supposed to be doing more revision, she's busy picking me up. Is that perfect?
I can work myself in 7 days. You got 10.
Guess who's turn? Whoop whoop. Sister, can someone rescue me?
No, Rufaros, we're
Leave me
hurt in the
alone.
making of this.
Leave me alone. No, can you let go? Can you let me be? Are you not embarrassed? She's so embarrassing. She is so embarrassing.
Embarrassing.
And she doesn't know how to speak Shona.
Embarrassing.
Can you let me go?
Embarrassing.
Can you let me go?
Embarrassing.
She's actually so cute even though she's annoying.
Stop. You're actually gonna make me cry. Stop. Stop. Guys, look how clear the water is. So clear.
So where's the road gonna be called since you're just like walking home with my sister? So it's like first day of school, walking home with my sister. What? Sounds like
Taking the nature.
it's been long since you've seen this. It's so clean. I mean, really
I
clean.
know it's always filled with the green stuff, but now look at it.
Yeah. We haven't seen it like. I wish I could just put my
Oh my gosh. Do you know what I just clocked right now? It's my final couple months. 6 months? I'm getting kind of weak in the knees. Final 6 months. Then we're out. Can't believe it. guys, thank you for watching the video, and I hope you got a glimpse in what it's like to be an A-level student. Even though I only did 2 hours of lessons today, I am so tired, but I still need to do revision because I have mocks next week and it's so hot out here. But anyways, thank you for watching the videos. If you've been here since day one, I want to thank you.
Day one was 2 months ago.
Side eye. Side eye.
Coming down voice. Anyways, thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for everything. Love you. Bye.